Have you ever tried a cream that feels like golden silk on your skin? Today I'm making a rich, nourishing turmeric face and body cream, perfect as a night treatment when your skin needs deep regeneration, brightness and calm. This cream has a beautiful, soft yellow shade, a creamy thick texture, and the most elegant, fresh, earthy scent from lemon and vetiver. And yes, this smell is amazing even for men. Let's start from the heart of this recipe, rice water. I'm adding washed rice into a clean disinfected glass and covering it with distilled water. Then I place it into a water bath, cover it and let it infuse for about 15-20 minutes. Rice water is incredibly soothing and softening. It helps improve skin texture, supports the skin barrier, and gives the smooth, healthy glow. While the rice water is warming, I prepare the oil phase. Into a separate glass, I add olive oil. You can also use avocado oil or another nourishing oil of your choice. Then shea butter, mango butter, emulsifier, and cetyl alcohol. This combination creates a rich, velvety texture. Shea and mango butter deeply nourish and protect the skin, while cetyl alcohol gives that beautiful creamy consistency without heaviness. I place everything into a water bath and let it melt completely. For a stable emulsion, both phases should be at a similar temperature. This step really matters. Once the rice water is ready, I strain it and measure the amount I need. While it's still warm, I add allantoin. It dissolves much easier at this stage. Allantoin is one of my favorite soothing ingredients. It calms irritation, supports regeneration, and leaves the skin feeling incredibly soft. Then comes the star of the recipe, turmeric. Turmeric is known for its brightening and anti-inflammatory properties. It helps even out skin tone, supports tired and dull skin, and gives the cream its natural golden glow. Now it's time to create the emulsion. I start mixing the oil phase and gradually add the hot rice water in a few portions. As the mixture cools, you will see it transform into a creamy, thick emulsion. This is my favorite part, watching water and oils become one beautiful, nourishing cream. To stabilize the formula and prevent separation, I add a pinch of xanthan gum and mix again. Once the cream cools even more, I add vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that supports skin repair and protects the oils. Then essential oils. I'm using lemon for freshness and brightness and vetiver for depth and warmth. Together they create a beautifully balanced scent, fresh, slightly earthy, sophisticated. Finally, I add preservative to ensure the cream stays safe and stable for months. With preservative, you can store it at room temperature for up to 6 months. Without it, keep it in the fridge and use within 2 weeks. And here it is, a rich, golden, deeply nourishing night cream. It's thick but melts beautifully into the skin. Perfect for dry, dehydrated, cracked areas. Wonderful for face, hands, elbows, feet, anywhere that needs extra love and repair. In the morning, your skin feels softer, calmer, more even, and visibly nourished. If you enjoy making your own high-quality natural skincare, this one is definitely worth trying. You will find the full ingredient list and exact measurements in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!